You know that feeling when you are craving a Big Mac, but the drive-through line is wrapped around the building? Or when you finally get it home and it is just not as good as you remember? What if I told you the secret to that iconic sauce is already in your kitchen? Today we are making McDonald's famous special sauce, but better, fresher, and honestly, way more satisfying. Here is the thing about fast food sauces: they are packed with preservatives and stabilizers. That's why they taste the same in California as they do in New York. But real flavor? That comes from real ingredients. No mysterious natural flavors, no preservatives. Just honest, simple stuff that makes your taste buds actually happy. Ready for the magic? You only need 8 ingredients, and I bet you have most right now. We are talking regular mayo, sweet pickle relish, that is key by the way, some basic yellow mustard vinegar, and just a few pantry spices. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive. Here is how it comes together. Start with a ½ cup of mayonnaise, that's your base. Add 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish and don't drain it. That brine is flavor gold. Now the spices: a teaspoon each of paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Just a pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard and a teaspoon of white vinegar for that tang. Now whisk it for about 30 seconds. Watch it transform from separate ingredients into that creamy, dreamy sauce we all love. Pro tip: let it chill for at least an hour. The flavors need to mingle and get to know each other. Trust me, it is worth the wait. So how does it compare? Side by side with the original, ours has more depth. You actually taste the paprika and garlic instead of just tangy and sweet. It is brighter, fresher, and you control the salt. Plus, check this out, our version has 40% less sodium. Your heart will thank you later. But here is where it gets fun. This is not just a burger sauce. Try it on sweet potato fries, as a salad dressing, on breakfast sandwiches. My husband puts it on everything but ice cream. And honestly, it might work on ice cream too, but we have not been that brave yet. If you try this, I'd love to see your creations. Tag Foodscope USA on Instagram. We share our favorite fan photos every Friday. Hit subscribe for more fast food secrets made simple. Next week, we are cracking Chick-fil-A's sauce recipe, and you won't believe how easy it is. Remember, great food does not have to come through a window. Sometimes it comes from your own kitchen. Happy cooking, America!